anyone who loved tweaking their pictures in the Pixel Studio app and turning them into masterpieces, there's bad news for you. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. According to a report, Google has shut down its Pixel Studio app with the latest update. The AI-powered image generation app was launched less than 2 years ago and received a fairly substantial content update last year. But it looks like there's no place for it in Google's ecosystem left. Now, anyone who opens the app will be redirected to Gemini. The software update that'll block users from getting into Pixel Studio is rolling out now, but it could take a while to reach everyone. Once downloaded, the main interface displays a prominent Open Gemini button that leads to the Play Store if you don't already have the chatbot. It also suggests that users try Nano Banana for image generation. Honestly, everyone should have seen this coming. Google announced it was winding down Pixel Studio back in February and has been slowly stripping away core functionalities. For instance, the photo editor was completely stripped of AI tools a few months back. Pixel Studio was introduced in 2024 alongside the Pixel 9 smartphone. It was an app dedicated to AI image generation. Like many others, users could input prompts to quickly whip up images, and it could also do stuff like create stickers based on pre-existing photos. But now that photo editing app has officially bid its farewell. Here's to the shuttered app that now sits in the Google graveyard. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.